Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Rotarian, very good afternoon, everyone. Allow me to greet all of you in a universal greeting of peace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I have the distinct honor of introducing a diplomat of exceptional caliber, whose life's work is a testament to his unwavering commitment to diplomacy and peace. Let me share with you some insights into the extraordinary journey of His Excellency Ambassador Saleh Assad Mohammed, the Ambassador of State of Palestine to the Republic of the Philippines. Ambassador Mohammed's remarkable career spans rose as a political analyst, professional journalist, and a dedicated member of the Palestine Liberation Organization Foreign Service. His extensive diplomatic experience includes serving as a resident ambassador in Nigeria, as a non-resident ambassador to the Republic of Benin and Republic of Togo, and as a Sergeant of Affairs in New Delhi, India. His contributions to the Palestine Liberation Organization Political Bureau in the Republic of Tunisia further underscore his strategic vision and leadership within the organization. In December 2019, Ambassador Mohammed took on a new challenge as he arrived in the Philippines to establish the embassy of the State of Palestine in Manila, becoming the first Palestinian ambassador to the Republic of the Philippines. His presence has been pivotal in fostering stronger ties between our two nations, promoting mutual understanding and cooperation between the Republic of the Philippines and the State of Palestine. Academically, Ambassador Mohammed holds a master's degree in journalism and a Bachelor of Arts with honors from the University of Karachi, Pakistan, showcasing his intellectual prowess and dedication to his field of study. On a more personal note, Ambassador Mohammed hobbies include reading books, watching movies, taking leisurely walks, and indulging in the soothing melodies of music. These pursuits offer a glimpse into the multifaceted nature of this distinguished diplomat, highlighting his appreciation for art, culture, and the simple joys of life. A devoted family man, Ambassador Mohammed is married with 3 children and 3 grandchildren, a reflection of his deep-rooted values and a commitment to his loved ones. Please join me in extending a warm welcome and heartfelt appreciation to a diplomat of exceptional integrity, vision, and humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Rotarians, His Excellency Ambassador Saleh Assad Mohammed.